Have you ever wondered how people earn money online without creating their own products? That's where Mush Affiliate Marketing comes in. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. It's one of the simplest and most scalable ways to generate income online. And the best part is you don't need to handle inventory, shipping, or customer support. Imagine getting paid every time someone buys a product through a link you share. That's the power of affiliate marketing. And today, we'll take you step by step through how it works, how to find the best programs, how to promote effectively, and how to scale your affiliate income. Section 1. How affiliate marketing works. Affiliate marketing works on a simple principle. Promote a product, earn a commission. Let's break it down so it's easy to understand. Share products you trust. You don't need to promote every product you find online. Focus on products you know are useful, effective, and relevant to your audience. When people sense your recommendation is genuine, they're much more likely to click your affiliate link and make a purchase. Earn commission per sale. Every time someone buys through your affiliate link, you earn a percentage of the sale. Commissions vary depending on the program, from 5% in some e-commerce sites to 50% or more on digital products. The higher the commission, the more money you can make per sale. No need to create your own products. One of the biggest advantages of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to develop a product yourself. This eliminates risks like upfront costs, inventory management, and customer service headaches. Your main focus is sharing products and adding value for your audience. Section 2. Finding the right affiliate programs. Now that you understand how affiliate marketing works, the next step is finding programs that are profitable and trustworthy. Popular affiliate programs. Some programs are well-known and beginner-friendly. Examples include Amazon Associates, huge product selection, easy for beginners, commissions vary by category. ClickBank focuses on digital products like ebooks and courses, often with higher commissions. ShareSale offers thousands of niche-specific programs with varying payouts. Niche-specific programs. Once you know your audience, search for programs tailored to that niche. For example, if you focus on fitness, look for supplements, workout programs, or fitness gear. Niche-specific programs often pay higher commissions because they target highly motivated buyers. Research terms and commission rates. Before joining a program, read the high terms and conditions. Understand how much the commission is, how payments are handled, and any rules about promotion. Some programs offer bonuses for top performers, while others have strict rules about email marketing or social media promotion. In Section 3. Promoting affiliate products effectively. Finding programs is just the beginning. To make real money, you need to promote products in a way that drives clicks and sales. Use multiple channels. Don't rely on one platform. Promote products via typed blog posts. Write reviews, tutorials, or best of lists that include affiliate links. And social media. Share tips, product reviews, and short tutorials on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Email lists. Build trust with subscribers and share products they'll love. Leverage AI tools for content creation. AI tools can help you create blog posts, scripts, or social media content quickly. They save time while still allowing you to craft content that resonates with your audience. Remember to personalize AI-generated content. Your authentic voice is what converts clicks into sales. Track performance and optimize campaigns. Use analytics to see which links and platforms are driving sales. This helps you focus on high-performing campaigns and adjust strategies for better results. Tools like Google Analytics, affiliate dashboards, and email performance reports are essential. Section 4. Scaling your affiliate income. Once you've made your first sales, the next step is scaling to create a consistent, sustainable income. Build multiple websites or channels. Don't rely on a single blog or social media account. Create multiple websites or YouTube channels in different niches. Each channel can become an income stream, multiplying your earning potential. Automate email sequences. Email marketing is one of the most effective tools for affiliate sales. Create automated sequences that nurture subscribers, provide value, and include affiliate recommendations. Over time, automation allows you to earn while you sleep. Focus on high-ticket products. High-ticket items like premium software, online courses, or expensive gadgets pay more per sale. If you can convince your audience of the value, a few sales can generate more income than dozens of low-ticket products. Experiment and diversify. Try different products, formats, and audiences. Diversification reduces risk and increases the chance of discovering a profitable niche. Always test new strategies while keeping your successful campaigns running. Common mistakes to avoid. Even with a great plan, beginners often stumble. Here's what to watch out for. Promoting too many products. Don't overwhelm your audience with unrelated affiliate links. Focus on products that fit your niche and provide real value. Neglecting content quality. Even the best affiliate program won't sell if your content is low quality. Always focus on helpful, informative, and engaging content. Ignoring analytics. If you don't track your results, you won't know what's working. Regularly review performance and adjust your strategy. Over-promoting. Balance promotion with value. People follow you for your expertise, not just to click links. Add helpful tips, tutorials, and guides alongside your affiliate links. Outro. Take action and start earning. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to create a consistent income stream online, but success doesn't happen overnight. Focus on building trust with your audience, promoting products you believe in, and scaling your efforts over time. Remember, start small and learn as you go. Use multiple platforms for promotion. Track results and optimize campaigns. Reinvest your earnings into growing your channels. With dedication and the right approach, affiliate marketing can become a full-time income stream or a profitable side hustle. Subscribe to Smart Money Today for more actionable strategies to earn online, grow your business, and build financial freedom.